the curious adventure of Felix the Cat. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the delightful world of one very special cat, Felix the Cat. Imagine a cat full of curiosity, mystery, and heart of gold, residing in the bustling streets of a vibrant city. So say hello to Felix, our star of the day. He's your typical cat, napping away most of the day in a cozy spot. When he's awake, trouble is surely brewing in his charming little closet. One fine day, Felix's ordinary routine takes extraordinary turn as he stumbles upon an ancient map leading to a hidden treasure. Determined and alert, Felix embarks on a daring quest, his fluffy tail held high in the air. As Felix trots through the park, sneaking clues and chasing shadows, he encounters a mischievous squirrel who, unbeknownst to Felix, becomes his unintentional partner in crime. Picture this: Felix, with eyes gleaming with curiosity, eagerly following the squirrel, thinking it's leading him to the treasure, while the squirrel is just trying to stash away its acorns in peace. Classic Felix. Amidst a chaotic chase with the scatterbrained squirrel, Felix's wits and agility shine through as he cleverly deciphers the last hint to unlock the hidden treasure chest. The moment is filled with anticipation, and as Felix's little paw flicks open the chest, the neighborhood park seems to wait. And there it is, glittering treasure that sparkles in the sunlight, leaving Felix beaming with pride and satisfaction. The adventure not only provides but also a newfound sense of accomplishment. Reflecting on Felix's experience, we learn that courage and a dash of curiosity can lead us on the most unexpected yet fulfilling paths. Who knew a simple day could turn into an exhilarating journey filled with laughter, mishaps, and treasures beyond imagination? As we bid farewell to our charming feline friend, remember to cherish your curious world. Embrace the unknown. Stay curious. Who knows? You might uncover